Good evening, everyone. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on SwftCoin. So for SwftCoin, nothing has changed from the last time that we looked at this coin. You're still sitting on macro support at 2037. If this area does break, we are looking at a bigger capitulation back down, which at that point we will take a look at the next areas of support. Actually, we should because it's actually sitting on support right now. Yeah, it's sitting on the 618. So the next macro area of support is 2018 for SwftCoin. It doesn't have to go down that low because it could end up bottoming out in between the 786 and 618 retracements areas of support. However, as long as it's still over this level, then you are still looking at 2066 to 2097, which you already technically had a bounce from. So we were looking at this a couple of weeks ago and you hit support. We said next areas of resistance were 2066 to 96, which means that if you're trading it, you're taking profits at these points. If you're holding it, you're hoping for it to break those areas. And what happened? Like 99% of the time, we came back up. We got 111% move, which is massive. And then you got smacked all the way back down. So clearly now it's easy to look back and say, okay, wow, well, yeah, we got rejected at this area, right? So as of right now, you're sitting on support. You actually came all the way back down to support at 2037. If this support fails, you are looking at a bigger move back down to around 2018 to 37. And then from that point, we do need to actually redraw this entire chart because the entire chart will become invalidated. However, a little bit of hopium. If we do maintain price action over this level, and when we do break this area of resistance, then clearly there's no more resistance and a clear shot to around 170, and then we could start screaming to the moon, to the moon. Bulls are back, 4 cents, and then 8 cents is still on the table for SwiftCoin. I don't think that's impossible given the tokenomics and how small the market cap is, but that's just my opinion. So just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.